Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about Chase Freedom Rise. Alright, so let's begin. If you're just starting to build credit or have a limited credit history, the Chase Freedom Rise credit card is one of the best options available today. It's designed specifically for newcomers to credit who want to earn rewards while building a solid financial foundation. So, in order to decide whether the Chase Freedom Rise is right for you, you have to follow these steps. The card offers a straightforward 1.5% cash back on all purchases, no categories, no spending limits, and no rotating offers to track. That makes it perfect for beginners who want simplicity and consistency in their rewards. New cardholders can also earn a $25 bonus just for setting up automatic payments within the first 3 months, which is a great way to encourage healthy credit habits early on. One of the biggest advantages of the Chase Freedom Rise is that there's no annual fee. You also don't need to put down a security deposit, unlike many beginner cards. Plus, the card is backed by Chase, which means you get access to useful tools like Chase Credit Journey to track your credit score and get tips for improvement. Additionally, your account will be automatically reviewed for a credit line increase after just 6 months, which can help improve your credit utilization and boost your score. However, there are a few things to watch out for. The variable APR is high around 25.99%, so it's not a good idea to carry a balance. It also charges a 3% foreign transaction fee, making it less ideal for international travel. And unlike some other cashback cards, there are no rotating bonus categories or higher earning spending areas. For those looking to increase approval odds, it's recommended to open a Chase checking or savings account with at least $250 before applying. That small step can make a difference. In short, the Chase Freedom Rise is a strong starter card for those with no or limited credit. It's easy to use, offers reliable cashback, and includes tools to help you grow financially over time. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.